Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to sign up to Manychat without Facebook. So first, just simply go to google.com. Just simply search over here, Manychat. Now just simply click on the first one over here. And after that, guys, you should be able to see here, get started on the top right. Or you can go for this one over here. And after that, it will redirect you to the sign up page. And now from here, just simply click on begin. And from here, just simply provide the captcha. I'm gonna choose all the bed as it said over here. Click on confirm. And after that, you will have an option here, continue with Google. So if you don't have a Facebook, you can just simply continue with Google over here. So you can sign up via Google. And after that, just simply select your account or just simply log in into your account or just simply manually log in into your account. Now, once you have selected your account, just simply click on this one and just simply select your company type. So I'm going to go for solopreneur and freelancer. Click on next. And after that, as you can see, if you don't have a Facebook, you can go with Instagram or WhatsApp or Telegram. So in my case, I will go for Instagram, for example, and go to Instagram over here. And now it will redirect me to the Instagram and just simply click on allow over here. Or if you don't have your Instagram login yet, just simply log in into your Instagram account. Now, once you have allow it, you will have here an option to go with the free plan or activate the pro trial. So in my case, I will go with the free plan over here. Click on it. And from there, you should be able to connect your Instagram. And from there, you'll be able to sign up ManyChat without Facebook and click on Let's Start. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.